Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Binance for Beginners. In this episode I'll be showing you Binance Savings. To get to Binance Savings, you simply go up here to the Earn tab and click on Savings. Here, as you can see, you will have 4 different types of savings, which are flexible savings, locked savings, activities, and auto invest. Now I want to point out that all interest that you get from your savings will be in your spot wallet. But first, let's get into flexible savings, which is this right here. And this basically means that you pick a cryptocurrency that you want to save. Then here you can see the APY and the trend. As you can see, this has been stably 20%. And APY basically means that you will be getting 20% over a course of 1 year. Here as well, on some cryptocurrencies, you can see the T rate. Then you can see the duration, which for all flexible savings, you can take out anytime you want and still have your interest. Here you have auto transfer. And if you turn this on, that basically means that every day the interest that you get from your savings will be sent back into the savings account. And finally, here you can subscribe to savings and you just put in how much you want to save. Then you can see the minimum, the available quota, and that's a summary that tells you all the details that you need to know. And then you click on this and click confirm. Now let's move on to locked savings, which are right here. Locked savings are pretty similar to flexible, but now you pick on how long you want to lock those savings in your Earn wallet. So let's say I want to save this cryptocurrency AXS for 15 days. And if I kept it in there for a year, as you can see, I will be getting 70%. Here you have the interest per lot. And if you click on subscribe, you can see right here how large one lot is. And this just depends on how valuable the cryptocurrency is. So I think, for example, for sand, yeah, it's 100. But let's say we want to trade this AXS. Then we click on subscribe. Pick how long you want to be trading it for. I just want 15 days. And then here you would enter how many lots you want to save. And here you have a summary, which will tell you everything you need to know. And you can again click on auto transfer right here. Then as well, you click this and click confirm. Then if you scroll down a little bit, you have activities. Now unfortunately I can't show you any of these activities, but they work in a very similar way to locked staking. However, with activities, you do not pick the cryptocurrency nor the duration that you'll be locking it in for. That is picked on its own, or Binance picks it. Then you can choose that specific stake and you'll get some interest for it. Now, if we go all the way back up, you can see this new feature called Auto Invest. Auto Invest is a more long-term plan for savings. And here you would automatically invest your cryptocurrencies either daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and then get interest for that. So let's say you want to make a plan for 3 years with BNB, and here you can see all that you need to see, like the historical rate of interest, as well as what cryptocurrency you're buying and the price of that cryptocurrency right now. Now this historical rate of interest just shows you for the specific amount that you've picked. So for the past 3 years, for example, the rate of interest for BNB has been 1000%, but for the past 3 months it's been negative 5%. Because of how much the cryptocurrency has dropped. Then let's say we just go along with this, the BNB savings, and create a plan. Here you will be able to put in how much you'll be investing and then choose on what basis you will be investing it on. With daily you can choose the time, with weekly you can choose the weekday as well as the time, and with bi-weekly it stays the same, and on monthly the date of the month and the time. Here you have a summary again, and that just tells you some information, and you can also use your flexible savings balance to put into here. Then you can click on this and confirm to make your plan. Once you've put some cryptocurrency into the savings account, if you want to find your balance, it's either up here or you can go into your wallet and earn. And right here, you don't even need to press anything, you will see everything that you currently hold. And that pretty much does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Next episode I'll be talking about staking as part of this Binance Earn series. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe to become part of the revolution today. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.